Good morning. My name is Dr. Lois Carmy, and I am the upper school art teacher for a wonderful new Naples Classical Academy that is opening in the fall. Naples Classical Academy is a new school providing classical education with over 1,100 requests to enroll this fall. As the upper school art teacher, and particularly with the pandemic in mind, I am looking for a creative and a healthy outdoor component to add to our art classes. And therefore, if I am the recipient of this grant, what I will be doing is purchasing easels so that my students can and I can leave the classroom and do sketching and painting outdoors. I think that in the era of this terrible virus, this is a very good alternative. And I thank you very much in advance for considering this will affect approximately 200 students, probably more than 200. I appreciate it. I appreciate the consideration. It's Dr. Lois Carmy, and it's Naples Classical Academy. I'm proud to be part of this new team. Thank you.